Sí, hasta aquí todo bien. ¿Pudieron entenderlo? Yeah, guys, please. Y contarme. Here we go. You got
Yes,
it?
teacher.
Ok. ¿Cómo digo entonces, guys, qué será? Sabiendo que ese fue, es become, become, el pasado became. ¿Cómo digo qué será para ti? Vamos, cuéntame.
What will become of
Become,
the house when
yes,
the
yes.
grandparents
When my
grandparents
grandparents pass away.
die,
Lo
pass
pones
away?
en presente, ¿ok? El complemento del futuro siempre va en presente. ¿Hasta aquí lo entienden? You got it, guys? Yeah? What will become with this house? When my grandparents pass away, die. What will become of this house? When my grandparents pass away. You got it, guys? You know what I'm saying? Please tell me, guys. Yeah?
Teacher, y si solo digo what will be, ¿está mal? ¿Me van a entender?
¿Qué será? Sí te entienden. Sí, ¿qué será? What will be, pero no es usado así. Es como
Ah,
que el what will happen o puede ser el become. Sí, es más común el become. ¿Ya?
ah,
¿Lo entienden, guys? Pero voy a enseñar hoy día muchos videos para que se den cuenta que es cierto. ¿Ok? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Cómo digo qué pasa? No hay sujeto.
what become of this place?
Guys, becomes. In present time, you've got to add
Um,
is. Yeah?
becomes
Becomes. Of
of this place
this place
for the
at
night.
night. Yeah. What becomes of this place nice? You got it, guys? Yeah?
Ah, okay.
What becomes of this place nice? You know what I mean? Please tell me, guys. That's what I want to know, my friends. Here we go.
Yes, teacher, I got
Yeah,
it.
you got it, guys? ¿Sí pudieron entenderlo? Yeah, más o menos. Y contarme, please. Let's go.
Yes, teacher, I got it.
Yeah, that's right, guys. Guys, this part, guys, we are now bands level. You gotta know something, okay? Guys, there will be some parts that will be say complicated, complex, hard to translate. Yeah, you won't find translation. Only guys, you've got to do is to learn the structure. The structure. You know what I mean, guys? Then, tell me, please. You got it? Okay. So now, guys, what I'm gonna do is to try this part. Okay, let's go, guys. You've got to make it on your own. ¿Sí o no, guys? Muy bien, chicos. Primero, ¿me escuchan bien, sin cortes, sin nada? ¿Me pueden escuchar al 100%? ¿Ya?
Yes,
¿Sí o
teacher,
más o menos? Genial. Guys, voy a presentarte tu clase a continuación. Quiero que veas de qué se trata, ¿ok? Es una gramática importante aquí en los Estados Unidos, ¿ok? Let's go. Here we go. Muy bien. Y muchos, guys. Como digo muchos, 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 hablo de personas. Y muchos, muchos, muchos se preguntan, ¿cómo diría esto en inglés? Vamos, cuéntame.
and many,
Many,
mm,
many.
wonder,
Wondering.
wonder
Wonder
what,
qué,
what was,
what, qué fue de ese
no,
soldado. Yeah, puede ser was, guys. Puede ser
what
what was of this
become,
soldier.
what
Pero
become
vamos a
of,
ponerle what became, became
became
of
of,
this,
culture,
yeah, soldier. It's like this. Many, many wonder what became of the soldier. You know what I mean, guys?
yeah,
Yeah? Oh, yes.
today
Today
is
is
6, dec-
6
uh, decade,
decades.
later,
Decades. Yeah? Later.
later.
With now,
We now know
no, because
why,
we
because
found
we found,
them.
found them.
Yeah.
Found
¿Lo
them.
entienden,
Found
guys?
them.
And many, many wondering
Okay.
what became of this soldier. Today 6 decades later. We now know because we found him. You got it, guys? Here's also. Tell me, please. That's what I want to know, guys. ¿Sí lo entienden?
Yeah.
¿Bien?
Yeah, teacher, got
Escuchar a este americano diciéndolo. Let's go.
Many may have wondered what became of that soldier. Today, 6 decades later, we now know because we found him.
Guys, ¿se dieron cuenta la manera en que se expresa? What became of that soldier? Guys, ¿lo entienden? You got it, guys? What became of that soldier? Yeah? ¿Qué fue? ¿Qué sucedió? ¿Qué pasó de este soldado, guys? ¿Lo entienden? ¿Sí? ¿Les queda claro? Yeah?
Yeah.
¿Ustedes sabían eso, guys, o no lo sabían? Be
No.
honest. No? Nobody, guys?
Yo no.
Ok,
No,
¿y qué respuesta les da, guys, esto? ¿Ya hemos acabado de estudiar inglés o todavía nos falta? ¿Qué piensan?
Todavía nos falta.
Falta,
Nos falta.
falta, guys. Falta. ¿Yeah? Muy bien, guys. Excellent. Okay, guys. Many wonder what became of the soldier. Today, 6 decades later, we now know because we found him. It's like this. Guys, need volunteers for this one, please. Let's go, everybody. Now is the right time for you.
Me.
Go ahead,
Yeah.
guy.
And many wonder what became of that soldier. Today, 6 decades later, we know now because we found it.
Yeah, we now know. We now know. Great. That's
We
right.
know-
Okay. Yes, like this guy. What you said is right. We now know because we found it. Yeah? Anybody else, guys? Yeah, nobody else. Thanks, Carmina. Okay, guys. Nobody else. The next part. In the future time, guys. Can I use this expression? Here we're talking about guys. Here we go.
What?
Now,
will
guys,
become-
you've been told by me, guys, it's important. Yes, you know. Let's go, guys. What? What else? What else? What?
What will become of the people
Yeah, become
living,
of the people, right?
living in those
Live in
home
those
projects?
housing.
Home,
House, guys. Housing projects. You got it, guys?
ujú.
Yeah.
¿Por qué es con ing, teacher?
No, porque es como un adjetivo. Hay adjetivo de hogar, ¿sí? You got it, guys? Bien. ¿Sí lo entienden?
Bueno,
What will become of the people living those houses? Those housing, guys, projects. I'm sorry, okay? What will become with the people? Well, become of the people living those housing projects. It's like this, guys, but you gotta try this one, guys, by listening to this audio first. Yeah? Let's go, everybody, please. Here we go.
What would become of the people living in those housing projects? What would become of the people living in those housing projects?
You got it, guys? Yeah, can you understand them? I don't know, please. Tell me, guys. Here we go. Yeah? What will become with the people? What will become of the people living in those housing projects? Here's what I can say now, guys, like this. You got it? Was it all right for you guys? Please tell me, guys. Here we go.
yeah,
¿Sí lo entendieron? Yeah?
Yeah.
The next part. Here we go. The next part. ¿Qué hay? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué es? ¿Qué hay del oro después de la explosión? ¿Cómo diría que hay de oro después de la explosión? ¿Qué hay? Teacher, para decir que hay, también me contaste que era what about. No está mal, puedes decirlo así. ¿Ok? Pero, guys, esta expresión, ¿cómo sería con el become? Cuéntame, ¿qué hay en el presente? What
What
becomes
becomes of
of
the
the
uh,
gold,
gold
gold,
after
after
explosion?
the explosion? What becomes of the gold after the explosion? What becomes of the gold after the explosion? That's right, guys, like this. Perfect. Y escuchar al americano diciéndolo, please. Listen to the American by saying these words. Here we go. Go ahead.
But what becomes of the gold after the explosion? But what becomes of the gold after the explosion?
What becomes of the gold after the explosion? You got it, guys? You know what it means so far? Please tell me now, guys. That's what I want to know to continue working on it. Here we go.
So far, so good.
Okay, Carmina, thanks. So far, so good. Right. If you got it so far, guys, if you can understand, guys, what I'm saying, please, guys. Any volunteers now? Okay, guys, please, but apply the right intonation, the right accent. Yeah? Imagine, guys, here in the United States now. Yeah, let's go, everybody. Here we go. Any volunteers?
Richard?
Guys, please. Their requirements are really important. Yeah, guys? Carmina, let's go.
What becomes of the gold after the explosion?
Yeah, guys, that's right. What becomes of the gold after the explosion? Right. The next part. ¿Qué será en el futuro de su familia? De él. ¿Cómo digo qué será en el futuro de su familia? Cuéntame, guys.
Become of your family.
Yeah, what?
Your
Will
family.
become? Oh, yes. Family. Right. What? Will become of the words.
Of the world.
Guys.
That's
¿Qué más viene, guys? Here.
he has worked very hard for
So very hard. Yeah. Para moldear. To shape.
mold.
Shape. Puede ser mold o shape. Got it, guys? Para darle forma. Muy bien.
Okay.
Let's go, guys. Es medio extraño. What? Will become his family. What? Will become the words. He has words so hard to shape. You got it, guys? Yeah, tell me, please. Is that
Yeah.
right for you, guys? Yeah, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's right, guys. Now is the right time to listen, guys, okay? What I was explaining to you, guys. Yeah? You're gonna find here, guys, the exercise. The example, please. You gotta pay attention now, guys, if you want to get it right. Here we go, my friends. Let's go.
What will become of his family? What will become of the world he has worked so hard to shape? What will become of his family? What will become of the world he has worked so hard to shape?
That's right. You got it, guys? Yeah, can you understand it? Yeah, please, tell me, guys. That's what I want to know.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, teacher, I got
Right.
it.
Now, guys, you gotta put it into practice. Maybe, guys, everything. Yeah, you've got to write some sentences, guys, by saying these words, by using these expressions. What will become of his family? What will become of the words? He has words so hard to shape. Guys, become también es como decir suceder, pasará, será. ¿Ok? Guys, quiero voluntarios. Let's go. Oh, George, I heard you, man. Okay, let's go.
What will become of his family? What will become of the world he has worked so hard to shape?
Yeah, that's right, guy. Good enough. Let's go, Jennifer. It's your time.
What will become of his family? What will become of the world he has worked so hard to shape?
Yeah, guys, like this. What will become of his family? What will become of the words he has worked so hard to shape? Right. In the next part, guys, what are we gonna find? Okay, let's go. Muletilla, guys. ¿Cómo digo muletilla americana? Cuéntame.
Well, you know,
So,
No. Una muletilla, denme el so. Okay, yeah, you know. Oh,
You know.
excelente, ya entendí. Ok, vamos a poner, guys, el so. ¿Qué será? ¿Cómo digo qué será? Cuéntame.
what
What
will become of the commercial store in
Malls.
Almond?
The malls. Yeah,
America?
you can say maybe, guys, like this. Yes, stores, commercial stores. Yeah, but it's a common, guys. If you want to say only one word, guys, to say the malls. You got it, guys? It's pretty common, as you know. Yeah? You can say like this, my friends. It's the shortest form. You got it, guys? The shortest way. Yeah,
In America, after the
America.
pandemic finished.
America after the pandemic.
Pandemic
Guys,
finished.
okay. You gotta know something, guys, okay? What about the complement? How can I write the complement of the future? How?
Present time.
Present, okay? If I'm talking about the pandemic, then you can replace with it, okay? Guys, how does the verb come? It, please tell me, guys. How does the verb come? Finish or
Finishes.
finishes?
Finishes.
Right. If you don't want to say finished, you can find end or ends. Both are the same, guys. You got it? Yeah? Please. Tell me about it. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Excellent. It's like this. Yeah, let's go, guys. Here we go.
So what will become of malls in America after the pandemic ends? So what will become of malls in America after the pandemic ends?
Y en vez que digan aquí, bueno, de usaron el become, ¿qué pasará? Ya, pero mira, cuando usan el happened, te usan el to delante. Si se dan cuenta, what happened to malls in the United States? You got it, guys? What happened to malls in the United States? You know what I mean, guys? Yeah? I don't know, please. Tell me, guys. Muy bien, voy a corregir algo aquí un momento. En el español, guys, solo en el español, así que no te preocupes, ¿ok? Muy bien. Ya está, guys. That's right. Excellent. Muy bien. Guys, ¿entendieron lo que salió en el audio? Yeah? Did you understand, guys, what came out of the audio? Yeah, can you understand it?
Yeah, teacher.
I don't know, please. Tell me, okay. You gotta listen to this audio one more time. Okay, once again, guys. Here we go.
So what will become of malls in America after the pandemic ends? So what will become of malls in America after the pandemic ends?
So, what will become of malls in America after the pandemic ends? You know, guys, you got it? Please, tell me right now, guys. That's what I want to know.
Yeah.
I got it, teacher.
Okay, guys, if you got it, you need to work on, guys, by saying these words. Let's go, everybody. I'm waiting for you right now, guys. Here we go. Carmina.
So what will become of mall in America after the pandemic ends?
Yes, like this, guys. So, what will become of malls in America after the pandemic ends? Right. The next part. Y nadie realmente sabe. ¿Cómo diría, guys? Y nadie realmente sabe. Vamos. Y cuéntame. Let's go.
And nobody really knows
Yeah,
what
really knows.
happened.
What? Puede ser el happens. What happens? What happened en el pasado. Guys, what
became of
happens? Si le ponen el happens, póngale el to delante. What happened to the rest? ¿Yeah? Pero en este caso vamos a usar el
what
became.
became.
became of the rest
The
of them.
rest
Of them.
of them. Muy bien. Ain't nobody really knows what became of the rest of them. You got it, guys? Ain't nobody really knows what became of the rest of them. You know what I mean, guys? Please tell me now, guys. Them?
Yeah.
Did you get it? Right. Ain't no one really knows what became of the rest of them. Yeah, guys. Yeah, you know, guys, it's the same. You got it. If you want to say, guys, no one and nobody, both are the same. Yeah? Did you know what, guys? Yeah?
And no one really knows what became of the rest of them. And no one really knows what became of the rest of them. And no one really knows what became of the rest of them.
Ain't no one really knows what became of the rest of them. Ain't no one really knows what became of the rest of them. You got it, guys? Yeah, could you understand this part, guys? Please tell me, guys.
I got it.
No,
I
you got it. Good, guys. If you got me, teacher the garden gym. Now's the right time to try, guys. Let's go. Here we go. Any volunteers, guys?
Yeah, me.
Let's go, Carmina.
And no one really knows what became of the rest of them.
Yeah, guys, let it. Oh my goodness. Let's go, Nicole. Miss your boys. Let's go, guys.
And no one really knows that become of the rest of them.
Guys, like this, guys. I got you. Right. Perfect. Guys. That's it. Ain't no one really knows what became of the rest of them. Yeah? Simple, guys. You've got to say what you read. Yeah, guys, if you write, if you read, believe me, guys, you're going to understand people, guys, by saying so many words. Yeah? La siguiente parte es, antes de concluir, ¿cómo digo antes de yo concluir? Cuéntame. Let's go.
Before I
Before it
conclude,
concludes. Yeah? ¿Qué fue? ¿Qué pasó?
what became of
Game of.
the
Yeah.
relationship between Lord
Between.
Elton
Sorry, guys. Between
and his wife.
Lauren, Elton, and his wife. Yes. Yeah. Busy. You got it, guys? Yeah? Please tell me. Okay. Listen. Let's go.
Before I conclude, what became of the relationship between Lord Eldon and his wife Bessie? Before I conclude, what became of the relationship between Lord Eldon and his wife Bessie?
Before I conclude, what became of the relationship between Lord Eldon and his wife Bessie? You got it, guys? You know what it means, please? Hey, tell me the truth. Let's go, guys. Here we go.
I got you.
Yeah? Okay, guys. If you got it, please, guys, you gotta know something, okay? All you gotta do, guys, is to try to imitate them. Yes, the key, guys, the secrets. There's nobody else who's gonna tell you about it, guys. Only me in this case. Yeah, guys, because I'm your teacher, as you know, guys. Yeah, and I'm here to help you. Yeah? Develop your skills. And that's what you're doing. Before I conclude, what became of the relationship between Lord Eldon and his wife Bessie? Let's go, guys. Listen again.
Before I conclude, what became of the relationship between Lord Eldon and his wife Bessie?
You got it, guys? ¿Sí lo entienden? Yeah? Please. Hey, tell me. Okay, guys, that's right. Perfect. Guys, one volunteer. Here we go. The full sentence. Let's go, everybody. Here we go.
Me.
Okay. Carmen,
Before I conclude, what became of the relationship between Lord Eldon and his wife, Bessie?
yeah, it's like this, guys. Lori, Senora, let's go, Nicole. Excellent guy. Good point.
Before I conclude, what became of the relationship between Lord Elbon and his wife Bess?
It was great. It was really nice. Yeah, but you gotta know something. The words became in the past time. Got it? But the pronunciation is right. Yeah? Guys, congratulations. My compliments on Jim. The next part. Algún día, ¿cómo diría algún día, guys? Vamos, cuéntame. Tell me what I have to write. Here we go.
Someday,
Some day. Okay? Ellos,
Will,
they
they
know their names.
will learn their names.
where they
Where they
Live. And
what
and
What?
what became of their families.
their families. You got it, guys? Yeah, I don't know, please. Tell me, guys. Yeah?
Yeah.
Si no quieres poner el became, también podrías colocar what happened. ¿Qué sucedió? What happened to their families. You got it, guys? Yeah? ¿Sí lo entienden? I don't know, please.
Yeah.
Someday, they will learn their names, where they live, and what became of their families. Someday, they will learn their names, where they live, and what became of their families. It's like this. Right, let's go.
Someday we will learn their names, where they lived, and what became of their families. Someday we will learn their names, where they lived, and what became of their families.
You got it, guys? Yeah?
yes, teacher.
Happened to. Yeah, guys. It's the same as, guys. It's like you want to say something like this, guys. For example, this is my book. Okay. What's the meaning, guys? And in Spanish, they told me, this is my book.
Este es mi libro.
Yeah. In advance. Amen. Here's the book of mine. You got it, guys? Here's the book of mine. You know? Yeah?
Yeah.
Here's the book. Mine. Right. Maybe nobody already knows about it, guys, but now that you know it, you can try some sentences like this, okay? For example, guys, this is his Korean. How can I do it? Let's go, everybody. Here we go. This is the Korean. Guys, you can put of him. Ese es el auto de él, ¿ya? Pero también, guys, puedes poner of his, de suyo. Parece extraño, guys, en el español, ¿ok? Pero en el inglés sí tiene sentido, ¿ya? Decir, por ejemplo, the book of mine, ¿ya? The work of mine. You got it, guys? ¿Sí lo entienden? ¿Ya? El trabajo de mío, el libro de mío, no tiene sentido, pero en el inglés sí. ¿Ya que eso lo entienden aquí? Eso viene en la siguiente clase también. You got it? Yes, so please. They told me. Yeah? Okay. We're gonna start again, guys, like putting this audio. Okay, please pay attention if you want to get it right. If you want to get it done, here we go.
Someday, we will learn their names, where they lived, and what became of their families.
Okay, guys, what's that? You got it? Yeah, could you understand, guys, what is that? Please tell me, guys. Now, let's go.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, guys, that's right. I need a volunteer now, please, guys. Here we go. You can try this one. He knows about it. He can do it. Here is the proof, guys, who wants to try it. Let's go, Nicole. It's your time.
Someday they will learn their names, where they live, and what become of their families.
Yes, like this, guys. Good intonation. Perfect, guys. That's so nice. Excellent. Let's go, guys. Anybody else? Yeah? I don't know.
Me, teacher.
Let's go, guys. It's your time.
Someday they will learn their names, where they live, and what became of their families.
Yeah, guys, like this. Oh my gosh. Great. Great. Guys, vamos. No sé por qué paro. Okay, guys. To finish this part, guys, okay, I want you to do something now. Please. Look at it right away, guys. Because I want you to understand, guys, what you have to write. Here we go. For example, guys, escuchar esto. Esto es parte del examen. Por ejemplo, no sirve de nada intentar comprar este artículo. ¿Para qué sirve? ¿Para qué sirve esta vida? Si nosotros moriremos. Oh, guys. Okay, let's go. Guys, en la primera parte, ¿tú qué encuentras? ¿Cómo diría eso en inglés? Let's go, everybody. Here we go. No sirve de nada. ¿Quién lo sabe, guys? Te enseñé eso.
There's no use trying.
There's no use trying. Excelente. There's no use. Puedes colocar el there's no use. O también puedes decir it's no use. Yeah, it's no use. It's no use. También there is no use. You got it, guys? ¿Lo entienden? ¿Sí? There's no use. It's no use. Trying. Yeah? To buy this article. You know what I mean, guys? Yeah?
Yeah.
It's no use. There's no use trying to buy this article, guys, like this. ¿Para qué sirve? ¿Cómo diría para qué sirve? Vamos, y cuéntame. Let's go.
What this life?
Guys, te lo enseñé.
What do you? Of this life if we will
Yeah.
pass away.
Yeah. What's the use of this life? If we will die, you got it, guys? He'll pass away. You know what I mean? What's the use of this life? If we will die. You know what I mean, guys? Please tell me, guys, now. Cuéntame. ¿Sí está bien?
Got it.
Yes.
Right. Guys, you've got to memorize my advice for you guys. And why? Because you're going to find this part, guys, into your final test, guys. Yeah, you've got to be ready, please, my friends. Obey me, guys. That's going to happen like this, okay, guys? I know you are trustful and you trust yourself, guys, that you are capable. You're able for doing it. But at the same time, guys, you got to know that you're in advance. It's not basic, guys. It's not intermediate, guys, like your partners. Yeah? You're like an example, guys. If I throw you guys into writing, listening, speaking, challenge, you gotta disengage. You gotta be the most, I don't know how to say this word, guys, but it's like, I'm a specialist. The most competitive one in this course, guys. And why? Because year in advance, guys. You got it? Yeah? You know what I mean? Right? Tell me. So, guys, if I want to say something like this, guys, what do we have to write? For example, if I want to say, yes, ¿cómo diría esto? ¿Por qué no intentar hablar con ella otra vez? Vamos, cuéntame. Here we
Why
go.
not?
Why not
Yeah, why
try
not?
to talk to her again?
You got it, guys? ¿Lo entienden? Sí o más
Yes.
o menos. Vamos, contarme, please. Here we go. Yeah?
Good.
Si te pongo por qué tú no intentas, ahí sería, why don't you? Why don't you try? Why don't you try? Pero hablo en general, ¿por qué no intentar hablar con ella otra vez? Why not try to talk to her again? You know, guys? ¿Lo entienden? You notice the difference, guys? Please tell me, guys. Now, here we go. You got it? Yeah?
Got it.
Okay, guys, please be careful, guys. You're gonna find this part in your final test. Yeah? You gotta be ready, my friends. Una más, guys. Una más. Esta parte es muy importante, demasiado importante, ¿ok? Y la última es esta. Y la más importante. Okay. Cuando se trata de trabajar en esto, nadie quiere hacerlo. ¿Cómo diría esto en inglés? Vamos, cuéntame. Here we go.
When it comes to working on it, nobody wants to do it.
Muy bien. Si lo tienes en tu mente es porque vas bien. ¿Sí lo entienden, guys? You got
Yeah.
it? Yeah? When it comes to working on it, nobody wants to do it. When it comes to working on it, nobody wants to do it. You know what I mean, guys? Here, so please. You told me now, guys. Let's go.
I got it, teacher.
Okay, right. Right, please. Take a picture.
Teacher,
Guy.
I have a question. Is the same nobody and no one?
Yeah,
¿O tiene diferencias?
nobody. No. They are the same. No one, nobody. You got it, guys? Yeah? But nobody, guys, is used specifically, guys, for people. And no one, guys, you can use for people and stuff at the same time. You got it, guys? Yeah? For example, guys, I go to the store now, guys, yeah, because I'm interested in buying a car. Yeah, and I say, guys, oh, no one is good for me, guys. ¿Qué entiendes? No one is good for me.
Nadie es bueno para mí.
Puede ser nadie es bueno para mí, pero también puedo referirme stuff, artículos, cosas. Ninguno es bueno para mí. De los carros. Yeah, guys? You got it? Yeah? I don't like it. You know what I'm saying, guys? Yeah, ¿lo entienden? Sí o más o menos. Right. Entonces, esa es la diferencia. No one puede usarlo para personas y cosas. En cambio, nobody, específicamente solo para personas. ¿Ok? Muy bien, guys. Luego de este avanzado 6, guys, ya saben, pueden tomar ustedes las clases de profesorado, donde van a enseñar ustedes inglés. ¿Yeah? Así que, bueno, guys, este es un reto más. ¿Yeah? Guys, es el momento de irnos. Y recuerden, avanzado al finalizar si ya tomas el examen internacional. ¿Ok? Guys, bye bye. Take care. Nos vemos. Cuídense mucho, guys. Bye bye.